What's up guys, today we're taking a look at my brand new Explosion of Fantasy MOC. Let's get into it. When building, I always try to focus on detail over size, and this build is no exception. This build is super small and definitely didn't require a ton of parts, but it shows what you can do with only a small collection of pieces. This entire MOC was originally inspired by just one minifigure. I decided to build one of my friend's D&D characters in minifigure form and just went from there. I wanted to have an epic action scene surrounding this elf warrior character, riding her horse out from the center surrounded by all kinds of fantastical characters and creatures. I built a small, simple grass base with a stony path and designed a small entrance of a castle to be built up on top of that. The rockwork of the castle I kept relatively simple, although I did use some cool techniques for the gateway and the windows. To create some extreme action, I had both sides of the towers getting blown out by magical energy and mystical creatures. The relatively new Power Blast pieces came in really handy, but I also was able to use some older large flame pieces, electric shock pieces, and a couple parts from Hero Factory as well. I filled out the scene with all kinds of interesting custom characters, flying and smashing and casting spells. Also, just for fun, I added some cute little animals getting caught in the fray. Some of the minifigures I'm most proud of in this MOC are the Barbarian Centaur, the Evil Potion Master Mage, the Swashbuckling Rogue, the Secretive Stealth Warrior, and the Gargoyle with the suit. I had a ton of fun with this build, and even though it's pretty small, I thought it'd be fun to share it with you guys, so let me know what you think. And that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out this build, don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to see more designs like this, please consider subscribing. As always, I'll see you next time. Keep on building. Peace.